Country singer Kenny Rogers has died at 81. Now, before you go any further, please remember to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel so we can keep up to date, and turn on your notification bell so you can get an update each time we upload. Now, let's jump into the story. Actor, singer Kenny Rogers, the smooth Grammy winner who spanned from jazz, folk, country, and pop, has died. He was 81. Kenny Rogers has hits such as You Decorate My Life and Island in the Streams, and embraced his persona as the gambler on record and on TV. He died at home on Friday night in Sandy Spring, Georgia. Representative of Kenneth told the Associated Press he said Rogers was under hospice care and died of natural causes. The Houston-born performer with the husky voice and silver beard sold tens of millions of records. He won 3 Grammys and was a star on movies based on Gambler and other songs, making him a superstar in the 70s and 80s. Rogers thrived for some 60 years before he retired from touring in 2017 at 79. Despite his success, he has always preferred to be thought of as a country singer. So big up yourself, Kenny Rogers, and your contribution to music globally. Condolences to the family. Guys, please remember to subscribe to the channel so we can keep up to date. Turn on your post notification bell, and I see you on the next video.